Peace be upon you. Would you like to learn Java programming language but you don't know from where to start? You don't know the theoretical part, you don't know how it works behind the scene, what is exists already under the hood, or you are already a Java developer and you would like to invest on your theoretical part of Java to know what is Java runtime architecture, what is exactly Java virtual machine, what is JDK, what is GRA, what is the secret behind Java class, what is bytecode, etc. And there is a lot of theoretical part of Java you would like to reveal in order to, when you write a code, you will have overview of what is going on under the hood for you. If that is your point, and you are really exciting to know more and more about Java language, to see how it's really so important language and it has a magnificent impact in our daily life. So let's reveal together the building block of Java runtime environment and architecture. Using this presentation, I'm going to divide it into easier section to be navigatable, all of the aspect of the theoretical part behind the scene of what is going on when you write Java application. So let's get started. Our agenda for this playlist, it will be simply like this: a glance on Java, what to do with Java, the Java virtual machine architecture, Java workflow, the difference between JDK, GRI, and JVM, Java compiler and bytecode, Java class content, and Java class loader, Java memory space, Java heap and stack and the difference between them, Java execution engine, and garbage collector. That will be a general guide for us. So let's get started by who I am. My name is Ahmed Sami. I'm software engineer since 2019. In fact, I'm originally a diving instructor, but I have spent a lot of time educating myself and investing this time to become a Java developer, and I'm still learning because you will never reach the top of the mountain if you stop investing in yourself. I'm really so enthusiastic to share beneficial knowledge which helps other people to achieving their goal in hope to make our life better and to share knowledge with everyone around us. I never stop learning and investing in myself. I hope that also you will take the same approach. By this way, we can guarantee that our age is a result of our experience over time. Not wasting time about me, let's get into what is Java programming language. Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented, concurrent, and secure programming language. For sure, a lot of programming language will say the same. So let's cover this and reveal it. High-level, that's because you don't need to manage low-level machine code yourself, which means that you are going to write understandable phrases in English as a command you will give it to your application to achieve. By this way, when you write it, the underline of Java virtual machine will take this understandable phrases you write as a command and it will turn it into low-level machine language for you. Then your application will run depend on which operation system you write this code for. Java is object-oriented because everything in Java is about object. What does it mean, object? Object is anything in our life which you can give it description and behavior, some attributes and some action these objects do. If we speak about car, for example, so the car has a color, so that's a description. The car has 4 doors, that's also another description. So what about the behavior of the car? The car moves forward, moves backward. The car produces sound, produces light, stuff like this. That's what we call object. So object is a representation of anything in our life that you can describe in the matter of behavior to do something, description or attributes which describe this object. Concurrent is the ability to run more than one task in parallel. Java, in fact, was written in concurrency in mind. First of all, it is the heart of Java to make multiple tasks in parallel. There is some mechanism into the Java language which will take a multiple task, then it's going to work between them to handle which task to start for a moment and then to stop, then stop this one to start this one. There is some handling mechanism in the heart and the core of Java language to do this for you. You just write your code in a concurrent way, then Java will handle everything for you. Security, another aspect of Java. Java has a static validation. You will not write code and it will just pass. You have a lot different aspects of security. When you load the class, there's a lot of verification to check the content of the class is valid or not. When you write a class, there is also another verification to check if this version of that class is already matched the version of the Java virtual machine running or not. You have string immutability, which means that when you write some names in a fashion matter of string, it will be always fixed. So it will be so difficult for someone else to come from outside, breaching your application, changing some names, after that can manipulate your application. Because once you create, for example, a string is a representation of some names, is a bunch of characters together, we call them string. Once you create this string, it's already immutable, so no one will be able to edit it. That's also another way of security. We are going to go through the security during our course when we reveal step by step the class loader, the Java virtual machine, and the other aspects of Java programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in the year of 1995 by James Gosling. We will not go too deep into the history of Java and Java version. If you would like to know about this, please Google it and you will find it. Nowadays, or in 2016, Oracle announced that almost 12 million developers using Java worldwide. Java community is a vast and it's almost everywhere you can find Java community, which means that you will always find answer for your question. So you don't worry about any question you have in mind. If you type it, you will find someone to answer it for you. Community of programming languages are so important to learn the language, plus they are so important for your future career when you develop something and you start. So you need to ask and you will find someone answering you. There is almost 15 billion devices running Java in 2016. You can imagine nowadays how many more already added to the list. There are a lot of devices also coming on the way, plus Java almost in every aspect in our life you can find it. What to do with Java? You can write desktop application, web application, enterprise application like banking application, for example, or e-commerce applications, mobile application, embedded systems for microcontrollers, for drones, for stuff like this, smart key cards, you use it to open some doors using a smart card, like for example your bank card. We use in robotics, in artificial intelligence, in machine learning, in games, etc. So Java, it's almost implemented and realized in all the aspects of the programming around us. It's almost difficult to not find any device running Java nowadays. Requirements to learn Java are really so simple. All what you need, just the desire to learn, dedicated your time to learn. You need some patience to understand what is going on under the hood of Java, laptop or PC. That's all. Then you start, you have a plan, step by step you are going to learn what you are looking for in Java. That's it for that episode. Next time we are going to go a little bit deeper into what is JDK, shortcut of Java Development Kit, which used by developer, Java Runtime Environment, which used by any devices running Java. Java Virtual Machine is the instance of GRI which running your application on that operation system which you are using. Wait for me for next time. Thank you so much for listening. If you think that this information is really useful, help me spreading the word, share it, leave a comment if you have any question, and I will be more than happy to answer you for that. See you next time. Peace be upon you.